Hi, good evening, everyone. So today we are going to go ahead and take a question from SAMBHAV series beta. SAMBHAV series is basically the series in which we will go ahead and take IIT JAM or GATE questions, right? Let us try to read this question today. So what it is saying. I'm going to take only one question, but I want you to do this question thoroughly with me. It says there are 4 men and 5 women in group A. So group A has 4 men and 5 women. And 5 men and 4 women in group B. So group B has 5 men and 4 women. If 4 persons are selected from each group, so there are 9 people here and 9 people here, and I am selecting 4 from each group. The number of ways of selecting 4 men, and in total, I need 4 men and 4 women in this group. Am I clear? Now, there are different ways in which you can go ahead and make different permutations and combinations here, right? So what we can go ahead and do to begin with, we can take case 1, in which I am saying that from group A, I am going to go ahead and select all men. So I need 4 men. So from group A, I will select 4 men. And from group B, I will select all women. That means 4 women. Right? Now try to understand this thing. How many men are there in group A, beta? There are 4 men. I need 4 men. I need to select 4 men. So it can be done in 4 ways. How many women are there, beta, in group B? In group B, there are 4 women. And I need 4 women. So it can be done in 4 ways. So 4 is 1 into 1. That means this can be done in exactly 1 way. Now I take case 2. In case 2, I am saying I will go ahead and I will select 3 men from group A. So I will go ahead and I will select 3 men from group A. And that remaining 1 man, I will go ahead and I will take from group B. So 3 men from group A and 1 man from group B. So how many men are there in group A, beta? 4 men are there. So out of 4, I'm going to select 3. And how many men are there in group B, beta? There are 5 men in group B. So out of 5, I have selected 1. Right? Then what I'm going to go ahead and do, now I need 4 women also. So from group A, I am going to select 1 woman. And from group B, I'm going to select the remaining 3 women. Because the point is that in total, I just need 4 people from each group. So the moment I have selected 3 men from this group, I can only select 1 woman from this group. And the moment I have selected 1 man from this group, I can select 3 women from this group. So 1 woman from group A has 5 women. So out of 5, I need 1 woman. And 3 women from group B. Group B has 4 women. So out of 4, I need 3. So 4C3 means 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 1 factorial. 5C1 means 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 4 factorial. And this is going to be the same, right? So 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 1 factorial. So when you will just solve this, this is 4 into 3 factorial. This is 5 into 4 factorial. This is 5 into 4 factorial. And this is 4 into 3 factorial. So you will get 4 into 5 into 5 into 4. So 20 into 20, that means 400. So you will be getting 400 here. You will be getting 400 here. Is this clear? Okay. The next thing that we can do is we can go ahead and we can select 2 from each group, right? So I can say, okay, I selected 2 men from group A, 2 men from group B, right? So how many men are there in group A? 4. How many men are there in group B? 5. So out of 4, I am selecting 2. Out of 5, I am selecting 2. And then I am saying that I will go ahead and I will select 2 women from each group. So 5 women here and 4 women here. So from group A, I have selected 2 women. And from group B also, I have selected 2. It's a long question, but it's an easy question. So from group A, I have selected 2 women. There are 5 women in group A. And from group B, I have selected 2 women. And there are 4 women in group B, right? Right? So into 4C2. So 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. And this is just repetition of this. So I will just multiply it with 2. It's just getting repeated. I mean, even if you don't want to do it, you can just rewrite this thing. 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, right? So this is going to be 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So this and this will get cancelled off. And here you will be getting 2. So this is going to be 6 into 10 into 6 into 10. I mean, not multiply with 2, squaring the thing. I should have said I'm just squaring this thing. It will give me the same answer. Okay, so this is going to give me the answer as 3600. This is going to be the third part to it. Now, I need to take more cases here. So what I can go ahead and what I can do now is I can just go ahead and take the next case, which is going to be where I have, so I have taken 3 men, 2 men, 1 man, 3 women. And from the other group, I will take 3 men and 1 woman. Because total I need 4 women. Total I need 4 men. So 1 man. So now how many men I have in the group 1? 4. So out of 4, I'm selecting 1. How many women I had? 5. So out of 5, I am selecting 3. How many men I had in group 2? 5. In group 2, how many men we have? 5 men. So out of 5, I need 3. And women, I think we had 4. So out of 4, I need 1. So 4C1 is 4, 5C3 is 10, 5C3 is 10, and 4C1 is 4. Just solve this, huh? This will give you 1600. Now let's take the last case here, beta. So I am going ahead and I am saying that I am going to have, I started with 4 men. So I will go with 4 women and 4 men in this group. So 4 women, how many women were there? 5 women here and 5 men here. So out of 5, 4, out of 5, 4. So 5C4 is 5 into 5, 25. Now we need the total number of cases here. So the total number of cases will be 1 plus 400 plus 3600, 1 plus 400 plus 3600 plus 1600 plus 25. Okay. Just recheck, the answer should be this is 3600. Sorry. Okay. So just recheck it. The answer that you will be getting, this will be 5626. That should come out as the answer. I hope that this question is clear to you. Such type of questions are very common in the IIT exam, NAT part. So you need to go ahead and practice such kind of questions. Okay, beta. Thank you so much.